Okay, so in return to our discussion about apoptosis and the pathways that trigger them, capsases are the main proteases. So pro-T refers to protein, aces refers to enzymes. So in this case, we're talking about enzymes that cut up proteins. The capsases are the main proteases that carry out apoptosis. So this can be signaled by an extracellular death signaling ligand, like we saw in the previous picture here, which was on the part 2 for chapter 11. It can also be triggered by DNA damage in the nucleus, and it can be triggered by protein misfolding in the endoplasmic reticulum. So this is a part of the reason why 50% of all fertilizations end in miscarriage, or what is clinically referred to as spontaneous abortion, because the cell recognizes if there is damage in the nucleus or some type of protein misfolding that would compromise the longevity of the organism that is attempting to be born. So apoptosis evolved very early in animal evolution, and it is essential for the development and maintenance of all animals. So remember, I discussed the removal of the webbing between the fingers and the toes in a human. That's one example. And the growth of a tail or not. For example, when you look at evolutionary images of various embryos, some of which I believe were showed in a living environment. So apoptosis can also be involved in certain diseases, like, for example, Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, and interference with apoptosis can contribute to cancer, leading to cell overgrowth and uncontrolled cell division. So here is an actual picture of development happening in this organism. As you can see in this first picture right here, all of the interdigital meaning between the digits. So you can see all of the interdigital tissue here. This is just one web, one structure. And here you can see now you've got some fingers perhaps forming, or appendages forming because of the cell death that is occurring in these yellower areas. And then finally you're left with actual digits, 5 digits. So and that's how that works.